In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Opera VPN subscription. Whether you don't need it anymore or you want to switch to another VPN provider, this quick guide will help you deactivate Opera VPN and stop future payments. Let's get started. First, open your Opera browser on your laptop or mobile. Once it opens, click on the menu button on Windows. It's the red Opera logo at the top left. And on Mac, it appears in the top menu bar. From here, click on Settings if you're on Windows, or Preferences if you're using a Mac. Now scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. This is where all your privacy-related options are located. Find the VPN section and click on it. Here you can check if the VPN is turned on, but this menu also helps you find where your subscription is being managed. If you're using Opera VPN Pro, which is the paid version, you cannot cancel it directly from the browser. You must cancel it from the platform where you originally bought it. If you subscribed through the Google Play Store, open the Play Store app, go to Payments and Subscriptions, find Opera VPN Pro, and tap Cancel. If you subscribed through the Apple App Store, open the App Store settings, go to Subscriptions, locate Opera VPN Pro, and cancel it from there. If you purchased it from Opera's official website, then go to the Opera website and log in to your Opera account. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings and open the Subscriptions tab. Find your Opera VPN Pro subscription and click Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. After canceling, you'll still be able to use the service until the current billing period ends. Once that expires, you won't be charged anymore. To confirm, you can recheck the subscription page or look for a cancellation email from Opera. And that's how you cancel your Opera VPN subscription. Before you go, if you still need a reliable VPN, I highly recommend switching to NordVPN. It offers stronger privacy, faster speeds, better security, and thousands of global servers way more powerful than Opera's built-in VPN. Plus, NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price and secure your connection today.